Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I dye my hair black. As you can see, I have a lot of gray hair, lots of gray hair. I've been wearing my hair braided down. This is my protective styling that I use, and I would wear my wigs. And under my wigs, this is how my hair is braided. So today I wanted to show you how I dye my hair. I like to use this dye here. It's called Natural Herbal Hair Coloring Shampoo. It's actually a shampoo, and it's really easy to apply because, you know, I'm not a hairdresser and I'm not really good with developers or colorants and all that crap. So this has developer and a colorant in it. So all you gotta do is just mix it together, apply it to your hair, and it actually applies on like a shampoo. So stay tuned. It is ammonia free, and it says it's less damaging. I really haven't seen any damage since I've been using it. I've been using this for about 3 years. So it's really good stuff. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and take these braids down to wet your hair before you apply this hair coloring to your hair. So I'm actually gonna take this down and I'm gonna apply my aloe vera, my homemade aloe vera juice. I'm gonna apply it to my hair because I like to use it for detangling, because I wanna make sure that my hair is detangled before I wet it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my aloe vera juice on it and go ahead and detangle my hair, and I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'll apply my my hair coloring. I wanted to mention that I usually get jet black. This is actually right here, it's black brown. I usually don't use black brown, I usually use jet black, but unfortunately they did not have jet taking out my braids. You see my gray hairs right there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and detangle it with my aloe vera juice. All right, so I have all my supplies here to go ahead and mix my color together. I put on my gloves. It comes in a packet, so I cut the packet, empty the contents into the bowl, and then I'm going to stir it up. I like to use 2 packs. It comes with 3 in a box, and I only use 2 out of the 3. So I'm just kind of stirring it up. And in the back of my head, I'm thinking like, why is it not turning black? Because I usually use jet black. I never use this color. So I go ahead and I apply it to my hair, like as if I'm applying a perm, because I want it to catch in between my hair. out my, like I said, I had got the black and brown color, and I usually don't get this color. I usually get the jet black, and it works really well. But unfortunately, this is my first time using this color, but this brand I like for jet black. But look at the color. It's kind of, it looked like the color didn't really take good. Now the jet black takes really, really well. So I'm kind of surprised that the brown didn't. But anyway, video of me dyeing my hair jet black instead of this brown. So hey, it happens. See some gray hairs in there. You can see the brown, which I don't really like. Like I said, I love my hair jet black. So next time I'm gonna be looking and hunting for jet black. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video with some Bantu knots. Thanks for watching.